Come back. One more interesting component that I came across was a master detail component. I thought this is very much important because those who coming from an ADF background know like how easy or difficult it was to create a master detail UI. Like basically you will have a set of teachers and then below those teachers you will have a set of students, or maybe there will be a list of countries and below that there will be list of cities or states. So this master detail has always been there. uh, I came across a very interesting article here. You can Google for it and you can get this one. Create the detailed view in Oracle Jet Web Application on item activity detail list. I went through this, saw the source code that was given here, modified a little bit. This is the source code. This is the JS part of the source code, and which uses a JSON, and this is HTML part. So what I did was, let me come back to this one. This is the JSON that we have a structure. This is like you have a detail. This is like a master, and these are the items below that master. Like you can have a country name, and below that you can have cities. So this the JSON is structured like that in a nested manner. So I modified it a little bit, made it like compute, and under compute you have bare metal and container engine for Kubernetes and all. And I also put a couple of images here that would make it relevant. So those images come here. The JSON is one thing. Um, the second part is the JS itself. So this is the JS code. You begin with a plain vanilla static JS template and make it something like this. I would not go into the detail of source code. You can go through this in this particular article, but I would just show you this one. This is basically it reads from the JSON data and parses through that URL, and based on one item selected or changed, it changes the UI. So this is what I have in my HTML. This is the HTML. So if I run this, this is what you see. Like for example, you have compute, under that you have bare metal, container engine for Kubernetes, container registry, and virtual machines and GPU. Under storage, you have different type of storages such as block storage, object storage, and all. Under networking, you have VCN, service gateway, load balancing, fast connect. So this data I've taken it from oracle.com, and you can ignore this price, that's not relevant. Uh, I've taken a couple of images. So one more thing that I can talk about here is the Redwood theme. Uh, you can get the Redwood theme here, oracle.com. This is the Redwood theme, and there is also a website dedicated for Redwood Oracle design. So you get to see a lot about how the Redwood theme is. It looks quite good. Let me make it clear. This is the Redwood theme for Jet release is yet to come. It will take some time. Uh, till then, what you can do is you can do some workaround like what I've done. I've just used a color picker to grab the color, whatever I wanted, and there is a background image. So I have used that color picker and background image to get this layout. This is an interesting component, and the source code is also available on the Git repository that I've mentioned in this video links and blog. So uh, this is really great, and feel free to use it and modify it. Thank you.